Hi viewers, welcome to Sujata Math Solutions. Today I am going to explain about simple tricks of multiplication operation by nines. See, usually we know regular multiplication step by step how to do, yes or no? But it will take some more time. But here in this operation by nines, we can do within 10 seconds only we can see the answer. See, let us see the operation by nines. First here number of digits is important. Suppose here number of digits. Okay, number of digits. Next already here is there operation by nines and their product. Okay, see first how to do. Number of digits. Here we can take equal number of digits. Suppose 1 into 1 digit means here 1 digit. One number with 1 9. Okay, see one number, any number. 6 nines are. 6 nines are how much? 54. Okay, see let it be. This is only single digit number. Let us see 2 digit number. 2 into 2 digit number. See, for any number 56, 2 digit number, you know, 2 digit number means you can take here 2 nines. This is the operation, yes or no? See, 2 nines, how to do? This is very important, right? Here 56 is there, 99 is only you can do 9 operations, you know. So 2 digit means 2 nines, 3 digit means 3 nines, 4 digit means 4 nines you can take. But here see, first what we should do? Here 56 is there number. First we should do here minus 1 or predecessor of this number. See, minus 1 means 56 minus 1 55, right? Now this is the first point. We can subtract 1 means 56 minus 1 is 55. Next one, next what we should do? See, here 99 is there. One part is completed. Now second part what we should do here? See, first difference of the digits. Difference means which digits? See, 99 or 55 difference we can write now. For example, 99. First we can start with the leftmost places. See, 9 difference of 9 and 5. Difference of 9 and 5 is 4. Means here you write 4. And the next one, difference of next digit. 9 and 4 is 5 is 4. Means 4. See, what is their product? 55 44 means 5544 is their product. Simple, you know, within seconds only. See, first what we should do? Subtract this 1 with this number means 55. Next what is the process? Difference of their numbers. Okay, difference of the leftmost places. Here 9, difference of 9 and 5. 4 you know. So that 4. Next number 9. 9 my difference of 9 and 5 is 4. So 4 and 4. So 5544. That is the product. Simple. And next 3 digit number. 3 into 3 digit number. Any 3 digit number. See, here I am writing 426 into 3 digit number, you know. So this is 3 digit number means 3 nines. Right? See, 9 9 9. Write this product within seconds. See, first what we should do? Already I said subtract 1 with this number. Subtract 1 means just before number. Means here it will change only unit place only. Here is 6 is there. Means subtract 1 means 6 is there. Minus 1 means 5. So only unit place only it will change. Means 425. Right? See, what we should do here? Just we subtract 1. That means 425. Now, next what we should do? See, here we can write a difference of the numbers. Not these two numbers. We can take these two numbers difference. Okay, see, first leftmost place. Difference of 9 and 4. 5 you know. So, 5. And next one. Next leftmost place is 9 and 2. Difference of 9 and 2 is 7. Okay. And next one. 9. Difference of 9 and 5 is. What is the answer? 4. Right? See again. Difference of 9 and 4 is 5. Yes or no? So 5 we written. Next. Difference of 9 and 2 is 7. Next one. Difference of 9 and 5. 4. So what is their product? 4,25,574 without multiplication. No steps, direct step, only single step, only small trick, right? Just here you are using 2 points. One is subtract 1 and the difference of their numbers. That only, then only we'll get their product. Okay, and next one, let us see next 4-digit number. See, nines, that is the place of nines, arranging place is not a mandatory. We can write a right side or left side, nines. See, here nines, I am writing left side, 9, 9, 9, 9. 4 into 4-digit number means 4 nines. And 4-digit number, any number, that is your wish. Okay, so here I am taking 6, 7, 8 and 3. Okay, 4 digit. Here is 4 digit, here also 4 digit. Equal number of digits is mandatory. Right, see. First portion is arranging also completed. First what we should do? Subtract 1 with the number. Here, wherever you write, first process is same only. Okay. Here, subtract 1 means, here what is the unit place? 3. Minus 1 means 2 will get. Right. So, remaining digits are same. 6,782. Just subtract 1 means 6,782. Now, what we should do? Same process. What is that? Difference of the leftmost places. Here, what are the leftmost place? 9. Difference of 9 and 6. Difference of 9 and 6 is how much? 3. So, it is 3. Okay. And the next one. 9 and 7. So, here the difference of 9 and 7 is 2. Right? Now, write 2. And next one. Difference of 9 and 8. What is that? 1. So, write 1. And next one. Difference of next digit. Difference of 9 and 2 is. What is that? 7. So, here write 7. So, multiplication is completed. Their product is, see here. 6 crores 78 lakhs 23,217. So, write here their product. 6 crores 78 lakhs 23,217. Okay. See, 4-digit number also we can say within seconds only. No steps, no multiplication. Directly you have to use here 2 small tricks only. Right? Next, 4-digit number already written. Next, 5-digit number. 5 into 5. Right? 5 into 5 means finance with a 5-digit number. Right. Here again. 7, 8, 9, 2, 0. 5 digits are there. Into 5 nines. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 5 nines. Equal number of digits. Okay. See. Here also. Here in that once units place 0 is there. 0 means you can take 2 digits. Right? Understand my point? Here 1 digit means we can take 1 digit is ones place 0 means you can take 2 digits. Got it? See here minus 1 you can do here minus 1. 20 minus 1 19. So here what we'll get? See 7 8 9 and here minus 1 means 19. Right? Okay, one part is completed. Here we can do minus 1. Next what we should do? See difference of the numbers. See difference of these two. Difference of 9 and 7. Here change, see way is changed. See here left side we written 9s. Here right side I written. For understanding only I changed here. See whatever that place is not a mandatory, but process is important. Okay, see here the difference of 9 and 7. What is that? 2 means 2 is, and next one the difference of next 9 and 8 1. So it is 1. And next the difference of 9 and 9. 9 minus 9 0. Okay, and next one again next digit 9. Difference of 9 and 1. Here 9 minus 9 0, you know. 9 minus 1 it is 8. So here is 8. And again 9 and 9. The difference of 9 and 9 is 0. So process is completed. Their product is, see right here, 7 8 9 1 9 2 1 0 8 0. See how many digits are there here? Number of digits. See crores up to crores, lakhs. Okay. See this is 4 digit number, 5 digit number, whatever it may be. You can do within seconds only. Okay. See once again here. First 1 into 1 digit number means that is directly you can write a 6 9s are 54, and a 2 digit number means what we did here, just subtract 1 means 55. Later just difference of the leftmost places 4 and 4. So that is the answer, simple. And next one 3 digit number, 3 into 3 digit means number into 3 nines, right? See here also what we did here, subtract 1 in the sense 400 to 25. Yes or no? Ikkada 26 means here 25. Right, now what we did here, just difference of the numbers, just leftmost places. Don't do left and right, leftmost places only you can do. See 9 minus 4 5. Next 9 minus 2 7. Next 9 minus 5 4. Simple, over. Right? That is the next, that is the product. Next one 4 into 4 digit means 4 digit number into 4 nines. That is also same trick. Here subtract 1 and difference of the leftmost places. The order of number is the not mandatory. Whatever the place it may be, you can do process leftmost places only. Okay, then only we will get a correct answer. And like that 5 digits also. See here at one's place, in that 5 digit, observe here in 5 digit number, in units place 0 is there. 0 means what we did here, 0 means we can take a 2 digit number. 2 digit means 20. So 20 minus 1 19. So that 789 and 19. Okay, then same process, difference of the digits, that is the product. This is very simple, no? 1 digit also, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit. Whatever the number of digits, we can say the answer within 10 seconds only. Right? Okay. I hope clear each and every point. Thank you. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.